How do you design a universe in artificial intelligence? I'm trying to take you to simulation, because if we can simulate the universe using AI, then do you believe that somebody, a higher cognitive power than us, might have already created it as our universe and we are part of a simulation?
My understanding is this, that still, as you know, so physics started as us humans trying to inquire the laws, trying to uncover the laws that are acting in the nature.
Right.
And we tried to come up with, there is a Big Bang theory and how basically universe came to be. And some of those theories do explain to a decent extent, but we are yet to have some grand unifying theory in physics which can explain most of the physical phenomena that we are able to observe. Now, the idea that I like about when you say this, whether an AI can simulate a universe or not. So the idea is that, see, nature, so to me, nature is working in a way, we are, through our interaction with nature, either through our experiments or experiences or whatever, we are trying to build our theories. Now, it could be that when we are trying to come up with a mathematics to explain that phenomena, it is only because our minds are capable to explain a certain kind of pattern only. That is why we are able to only observe and experiment and mathematically formulate that aspect of the nature. But there is a larger aspect of the nature which is still uncovered to us. We don't know that. We cannot comment on that. Now the question comes that if an AI is supposed to do that, the idea is that whatever humans can uncover, the AI can, in that realm, in that pattern realm, can learn to predict those kind of patterns or observe those kinds of pattern in nature. But if a discovery is to be done for, let's say, new laws or maybe some unified laws of physics, I mean, there are definitely researchers working on this as well, like physics department and AI department working together, physics trying to inform physical concepts, maybe trying to bring into building new models and using AI to discover new laws. There have been some work, but those are at very primitive stage. So there, I believe I'm aware of one such work to predict some structures in the cosmic observation that we do of space. But again, those structures, we can argue that, and it has been shown that the neural models can predict those structures with a decent accuracy. But again, the question comes that whenever a new, so now see, let's try and understand that we understand if let's say the AI model is predicting that such and such structure exists in your cosmic universe that you are a part of. My point is that how do you as humans accept that conclusion of that AI system? And that is where having that module of, again, I will go back to the same things of having some interface through which you can trust these AI models. And think about that, how even you can build such a system to trust, such explanations to trust. Because you yourself as humans acting in this universe need to understand that structure, right? And for you to understand, yes, AI can help there. But again, to simulate it fully, to me, it is a lofty goal. Unless we as humans don't understand it to a certain extent, whatever the AI will predict, we cannot accept, right? AI can predict all sorts of things. How do we guarantee that whatever the AI has simulated is the correct simulation? So, yeah, people are working for simulating some physics laws, but those physics law has already been observed and discovered in physics. So let's say there are simulations happening for effect of gravity in, let's say, games that we play on our computer, which are very realistic. But these laws are, again, discovered by physicists. So we have an understanding of gravity, but in the absence of some laws which we don't have an understanding of, how do we go about doing it? So yeah, that's where this conundrum is there, that even if an AI is able to simulate it, how do we ensure that the simulation is what is the closest to the reality that we live in?